How to play Steam games on Xbox. Now, you cannot install Steam directly on Xbox, however, you can play many Steam games on Xbox through cloud streaming services like GeForce Now using Xbox Edge browser. So first, open Microsoft Edge on Xbox. If Edge isn't installed, download it from the Microsoft Store. The Edge browser is what makes this entire method possible. Step 2, go to GeForce Now. Open play.geforce.com, sign in or create an NVIDIA account. GeForce Now works directly inside Xbox Edge browser. Step 3, connect Steam inside GeForce Now. Open Settings, connect Steam account. You may also connect Epic Games, Ubisoft Connect, and Xbox accounts. GeForce Now supports Steam library integration for supported games. Step 4, launch the Steam game. The best games that work with Xbox are Cyberpunk, Euro Truck Simulator, BeamNG, The Witcher 3, and No Man's Sky Select Play. And GeForce Now launches the game remotely on NVIDIA servers. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.